Cleaning hacks that actually work. Use vinegar and baking soda for almost anything. Mix vinegar with baking soda for a powerful, natural cleaner. It's great for unclogging drains, cleaning grout, and refreshing your toilet bowl. Just pour half a cup of baking soda, followed by a cup of vinegar, down the drain. Wait 10 minutes, then flush with hot water. For microwave cleaning, place slices of lemon in a bowl of water. Microwave for 3 minutes, then wipe clean. The steam loosens grime and the lemon kills odor. Old newspapers make fantastic window cleaners. Spray vinegar on the glass and wipe with a scrunched up piece of newspaper. No lint, no streaks. To dust ceiling fans, slip a pillowcase over the blade and wipe. The dust stays inside the pillowcase instead of falling onto your bed or floor. Now, let's move on to food and kitchen storage tips. To keep bananas fresh longer, wrap the stem of banana bunches with plastic wrap to slow ripening. If you want them to ripen faster, store them next to apples. To revive stale bread, run it under water quickly. Then bake for 5 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The crust turns crispy and the inside becomes soft again. Use masking tape and a marker to label leftovers in the fridge by date. This reduces waste and saves time guessing what's still edible. Remember to store onions and potatoes separately, as keeping them together speeds up spoilage. Store onions in a mesh bag in a cool, dark place and potatoes in a paper bag, not in the fridge. Next, let's talk about money-saving household habits. Using cold water for laundry saves energy and preserves colors better. It's also gentler on fabric, extending the life of your clothes. You can make your own all-purpose cleaner by mixing 1 part vinegar, 1 part water, and a few drops of essential oil in a spray bottle. Use it to clean surfaces, mirrors, and even bathroom tiles. Cut your kitchen sponges in half to make them last twice as long, and they're easier to hold. For a DIY fabric freshener spray, mix fabric softener, water, and baking soda in a spray bottle. Use it on furniture or clothes between washes to refresh. Now, let's focus on organization and decluttering. Use drawer dividers. Small bins or cutlery trays can organize everything from office supplies to socks. This makes drawers more manageable and stress-free. When organizing your closet, turn hangers backward. After wearing, hang them forward again. After 6 months, donate anything still facing the wrong way. Repurpose old shoeboxes for storage by decorating them with paper or fabric and using them to store cables, documents, or seasonal items. Install hooks on cabinet doors to use the inside of kitchen and bathroom cabinet doors to hang measuring spoons, scissors, or small cleaning tools. Finally, here are some bathroom and laundry shortcuts. Squeegee your shower walls daily. After each shower, run a squeegee along the walls. This simple habit prevents mildew and soap scum buildup. Toss a crumpled ball of aluminum foil into your dryer to reduce static and replace dryer sheets. Instead of washing jeans too often, freeze them in a plastic bag overnight to kill odor-causing bacteria. Add half a cup of vinegar during the rinse cycle to soften clothes and remove any lingering soap residue. Assign a color to each family member. It saves confusion, laundry, and time during busy mornings. Use a jar and marbles or coins to encourage good behavior. When the jar is full, the child earns a small reward or special outing. Fill a small bin with coloring books, puzzles, stickers, and small toys. Bring it out during rainy days or car rides. Attach a magnetic strip inside a bathroom drawer to hold bobby pins, nail clippers, and tweezers in one place. An old feng shui tip: place a bowl of salt in the corners of a room to absorb negative energy. Change it monthly. The aroma of boiling orange peels in water helps reduce stress and purify the air. Add cinnamon sticks or cloves for extra coziness. In some cultures, tying a red thread around a child's wrist is believed to protect them from illness or misfortune. Letting in the morning air is a symbolic way to bring new energy into the house and let yesterday's worries out. Don't throw away your used coffee grounds. Mix them into the soil to nourish plants, especially roses and herbs. Crush eggshells and sprinkle them around your garden. They keep snails and slugs away while enriching the soil. Place a few ice cubes in plant pots to slowly release water. Perfect for orchids or hanging pots that don't drain easily. Save the white roots of scallions, place in a jar of water, and watch them regrow in a few days. Easy, fun, and endlessly useful in cooking. Need to hammer a nail, but worried about your fingers? Use a comb to grip the nail in place. Place a rubber band over a stripped screw head to give your screwdriver more grip. If drawers stick, rub candle wax or soap along the runners to help them slide smoothly. Press a slice of soft bread over broken glass to pick up tiny shards safely and easily. It's the little things that make home life smoother. From natural cleaners to clever uses for leftovers, these family life hacks offer not only convenience, but also a touch of tradition and love. They remind us that even in our fast-paced modern world, some of the best solutions come from our parents and grandparents. Simple, sustainable, and smart. Whether you're a busy parent, a homebody, or just someone who loves making life easier, give some of these tips a try. You might be surprised by how much difference they make.